What's up, bud?
Don't track snow everywhere. It's snowing now.
I bet that's so fun as a dog.
Oh, yeah. Look at you go! Oh my goodness!
Hey.
Hello, buddy.
Here we have the new Sound Lodge merch samples. Hopefully they look good.
Oh! Oh!
They made it red. when they made the suggestion, I thought they were just gonna get rid of this.
I know, I thought that's what they meant.
But they're like, no, we're just gonna make it red for no reason.
That looks so bad, dude.
Yeah. The font looks okay though.
Hey, the embroidery, it's too small, so here's some suggestions. Here's our suggestion. We think you should
we're gonna add a color into it. Yeah, that's definitely not what I was expecting.
Well, this is the reason we do this.
Yeah.
This is the reason we get the teasers.
Yeah.
This would be very sad.
I'm glad nobody ordered them yet. Shirt design.
Yeah, that's so sick.
Yeah, that turned out like
Oh, look at
pretty
the
perfect.
sleeve.
Yeah, with the logo on the sleeve.
Sleeve's great too.
Well, 1 for 2.
1 for 2.
We're gonna message them about it, and they're gonna be like, "Well, you guys said this was good."
Yeah.
But yeah, bro, what? The red ones. It literally looks like
Unbelievable.
an error.